My name is Brent Uberty. I'm the Managing Director of BW Productions and the CEO at Cinema Forte. In the early days of our company, we used to work off hard drives. We didn't have enough space and we didn't have the ability to have multiple people access the drive at one time. That led to us searching for a solution where we could centralize our data, and QNAP was at the top of the list of companies that provided quality products that were reliable and at a good price point.
Hi, I'm Greg Johnson. I'm the Vice President of Cinema Forte, which is the creative arm of BW Productions. Over the last 10 years, I've set up multiple QNAP systems for video production, some for post-production houses, and some for full-fledged production companies. We set up our QNAPs for efficiency and for speed, because speed is so crucial when you're editing video. We've set it up to where we can have 4 or so editors working simultaneously, depending on the size of the media that you're using and the size of the bitrate. On our current system, we have a lot more bays, so we're running a RAID 60, and that makes it so we can lose 2 drives before we actually lose data. And that really helps us sleep at night, knowing that our client's data is protected. Set up an implementation of a QNAP system in your post-production workflow is very straightforward. Open the box, you put in the drives, you fire it up, and you just choose which RAID setup you want to use. You name your data set, plug it into your 10G system, and you're off to the races.
QNAP was a great solution for us because of its ease of use, its operating system built for non-IT professionals, and its expandability over time. If you were to ask our post-production team how they feel about the QNAP system, they probably wouldn't have a lot to say because it's a really seamless integration for them. They show up to work, they connect to their server through Finder, and they're able to work on their projects with no issues on speeds or any lagging, and they're able to work on the creative projects they want to work on. In the rare occasion when we have hard drives fail, QNAP makes it really easy to identify the hard drive and quickly replace the unit and get our team back up and running.
With the QNAP infrastructure comes the QTS and QTS Hero operating system, which is a graphical interface that's very easy to use. In that operating system, you can look at your data sets, your hard drive health, your RAID arrays, and your shared folders. You can also add users and add user permissions to those shared folders and kind of control who has access to what.
If you're a small 1 to 2 person production company all the way up to a large post house, QNAP has a solution that'll work for you and your team.